The convenience of smart homes is undeniable. With just your voice or a tap of your phone, you can dim lights, lock the doors, adjust the thermostat, or check in on your dog from halfway around the world. But every smart device, from your smart TV and doorbell camera to your fridge or baby monitor, adds one more node to the Internet of Things. And every node is a potential attack surface. Let's be clear. Smart homes can be secure, but only if we use caution and common sense. Too often people plug in these devices right out of the box, never change the default passwords, never update the firmware, and never segment them from their main network. That's like inviting strangers into your house and leaving your valuables in plain sight. Hackers love this. They've taken control of smart speakers, spied through nanny cams, and even unlocked smart doors. It's not science fiction, it's happening now. We need to stop thinking of IoT gadgets as just harmless accessories. These are internet-connected computers with microphones, cameras, and sensors. If you wouldn't leave your laptop unprotected in a cafe table, why would you give it smart home any less security? So what's the answer? Use strong, unique passwords for each device. Enable two-factor authentication if it's available, and keep your firmware updated. If this IoT device is a known brand with a track record of making security updates available, if not, you may want to think twice. Put your IoT gadgets on a separate guest network, isolate from your work or personal devices, and before you bring in a new gadget into your home, ask yourself, do I really need this device to be connected, or am I trading privacy for convenience? Because when your house is smart, it's also talking. Make sure it's not talking to the wrong people. This has been your cybersecurity tips of the week. Everyone, please stay safe and secure until we see you next time.